I'm Robert Hammer, and I am a teaching assistant professor in the Department of Finance.
I'm Anne-Marie Hibbert. I'm a professor in the Department of Finance, and I'm the department chair.
Since 2017, we have been running the Student Managed Investment Fund, which has offered a limited amount of students the opportunity for experiential learning, where they learn the Bloomberg terminals, they learn how to manage a real money portfolio, and they learn how to do things that other students don't have the opportunity to learn.
That's how we try to prepare our students here. There's not that learning curve when they graduate. The spending time in the Roll Capital Market Center, they feel like they're on a trading floor in New York City. So they have that experience. It's not new for them when they graduate and start that new job.
Making a gift on WVU's Day of Giving, regardless of how big, will help our students.